how to buy crypto on Bybit. If you want to buy crypto on Bybit, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Bybit application. And once you launch the Bybit app, this is the type of interface you'll be able to see. And what you want to do is if you want to buy, you have to simply go to the bottom option that says trade. So go to the trade option right here. Then once you go to the trade option, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now at the very top, you can see the option called different type of trading. So there is spot trading, futures trading. I'm just selecting spot for now. Now you can also choose from chart or from trade. Once you've done that, select the crypto pair that you wish to buy over here. And once you've done that, you can see buy option and sell option. So basically, if you want to buy, you simply select the amount that you wish to buy from here, select the quantity that you wish to buy, and just tap the buy option. And then after that, make sure you verify your identity, confirm the payment method, and then you will be able to buy it. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.